In this video, I'm going to delve into B2B lead generation, what it is, why it's important, and how you can do it. First of all, we have to define what B2B lead generation is. So here's a quick one-sentence definition from our team at Cognism. So B2B lead generation is the process of identifying your ideal customers for your product or service and then obtaining their contact information. It almost goes without saying, but lead generation is absolutely essential for B2B companies. So if you don't have any leads in your pipeline, then you can't grow your business. It's as simple as that. So why is B2B lead generation so important? There are several factors that show how important B2B lead generation is for a company. It can help you discover your TAM, provide contact data, build predictable pipeline, assist with content creation, build brand awareness, and most importantly, it helps generate revenue if you do it right. Now, what are B2B leads? So now you know what B2B lead generation is and why you need it, but let's bring it back a step. So what exactly are B2B leads? So a B2B lead is someone who's been identified as a possible customer for your product or service. They're the people who would find the most value from working with you. And did you know there are two types of B2B leads? So the first one, which I'm going to talk about, is marketing qualified leads, also known as MQLs. These leads are deemed very likely to become paying customers. The qualification is based on whether or not they're requested to see the product. So for example, if they've completed a demo request form, if they've requested a demo through your website's chat box, or if they've asked for a free trial. So the second one I'm going to talk about is sales qualified leads, also known as SQLs. These are leads who have progressed along the sales funnel and are deemed to be ready to talk with your sales team. To be designated as an SQL, the lead must have shown intent to buy your company's product or service. So this intent can be expressed as follows. So during a telephone conversation with a member of your sales team, by indicating their interest in an email or LinkedIn message, by requesting more information about your company and offering, or by asking to be shown a demo of your product or service. So who conducts B2B lead generation? So effective lead gen relies on sales and marketing working together. Marketing creates and captures demand, generating high intent inbound leads from demo requests, contact us forms, and free trials. Then the sales team follows up with those leads, booking them in for demos and converting them into customers. It's important to stress that marketing mustn't be a sales support function. It's not about providing sales with contact information, but leads that have a genuine intent to buy. Quality, not quantity. So that matters the most in B2B lead generation. And for lead gen to work well at your B2B company, it's recommended to split your sales team into two roles. So the first one being sales development representatives, SDRs. This group is responsible for sourcing and scoring leads, engaging with them, and booking meetings. And second, account executives, AEs. This group is responsible for conducting demos, closing deals, and generating revenue for the business. There are several benefits to this sales team structure. It creates a solid sales pipeline. The SDRs create opportunities for the AEs to action. It empowers each employee to focus solely on one responsibility, meaning that they quickly become experts in their roles. And it builds a roadmap for career development and progression. If an SDR consistently hits their sales targets, they'll become eligible for promotion to an AE. So how is B2B lead generation conducted? B2B lead gen is carried out through a number of sales activities. You've probably heard most of them, but here's a refresher. So cold calling. This is when SDRs telephone B2B leads. During their calls, they'll explain the benefits of the product or service and qualify the lead for future engagement. Outbound email. This is when SDRs contact B2B leads via email in the hopes of striking up a conversation. It's normally managed through an email automation platform. Social selling. This is when SDRs follow B2B leads on social media, engage with them, and develop relationships over time. In the B2B space, the major social media network is, of course, LinkedIn. And the combination of all of these techniques is known as a sales cadence. Most SDRs deploy cadences to increase the chances of booking a meeting with a B2B lead. Then there are the marketing lead gen activities: create demand and capture demand. They look like this. So the first one is create demand. So node-gated content measured by consumption and engagement metrics. Content is aimed at key personas. Content is delivered in multiple formats, example blogs, videos, podcasts, newsletters, and webinars. And content is produced and distributed in collaboration with external subject matter experts. Then there is capture demand: SEO, Google focused content measured on conversions and SEO metrics such as Google rankings and organic traffic. Content is delivered in written formats, example blogs and website pages. Content is pre-planned and based on target keywords. Now, what are the top B2B lead generation challenges? Getting started with B2B lead gen is hard, and you'll encounter a few challenges. The first big one is not knowing who to target. What you need to do is get your sales and marketing teams together and define your ideal customer profile, or ICP. So what is an ICP? First of all, it's a portrait of your perfect customer, and it looks something like this. So number one, industry fit. Does your customer work in the right industry for your product? Number two, size fit. Is your product right for the company of their size? 3, geographical fit. Is the company based in the right location for your product? 4, financial fit. Does the customer have the budget to purchase now or in the future? 5, growth fit. Does the customer have the budget to not just buy today, but continue to buy your product in the long term? And number 6, value fit. Do their company values align with yours? Another key challenge with B2B lead generation is measuring your success. There are several metrics you need to track, and here are the most important: meetings booked and attended, cost of customer acquisition, lead value and quality, customer lifetime value, inbound response time, average deal size, conversion rate, cost per lead, and revenue and ROI. And the last major B2B lead gen challenge is data. If your sales team isn't using the right data, then they'll never be able to generate the right leads for your business. Always make sure that the data is at the heart of your B2B lead gen strategy. And if you've always struggled with getting the right data, then there are external providers you can work with, which brings me neatly onto, can technology help with the B2B lead generation? Absolutely, yes, it can. There are hundreds of tools available on the B2B market that can help you get lead generation up and running at your company. And did you know, for example, that Cognism can help you find your ideal buyers, contact decision makers, and hit quota faster? So if you want to see a product tour of how Cognism can be used for sales, then click the link I've left in the comments. And that's it for this time. Everything you need to know about B2B lead generation summed up in 10 minutes. I'll be back soon for more B2B video content, but in the meantime, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Cognism YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon.